Hello guys, what's up? It's me Pravesh back with another video. In my last video I have done the unboxing of Xerox Pulse drone, which is one of the cheapest drone, and in that video I got a lot of questions how to connect with the smartphone and how to insert the SD card and where is the SD card slot and lots of things. So in that video I was not talking in English, that's why most of the viewers requesting me to make the video in English, so I'm making this one. So in this video I'm gonna talk detail about the drone, who is the SD card, about the battery and about the controller. So watch till in and you will know everything about this drone, and I'll show you how does the controller work and how to fly and everything. So keep watching till last. So let's start the video. So this is the drone, and on the top of the drone there is one power button. This is the power button, and you can see underneath there is one slot. This one is the slot for the SD card, where you insert the SD card. Just a moment also. And this one is the camera, and this one. So, and we have a battery. We have a battery over here that fits on the back side of the drone. That is inside the back side of the drone, and just pull that out and it comes out. And for charging, here is the charging the slot for the battery, and we got the charging cable, the cable in the box. And moreover, about the controller, here's the controller, and on the bottom of the controller, let me show you how it looks like first. It's closed, and here's the battery compartment, so you push that out and you can see one battery there, and you put the both battery and you insert it. And about this controller and the drone, one thing you need to know about the Xerox drone is that it doesn't connect with a smartphone. So the drone only connects with the remote, and you don't have anything, the app or something like that to connect the drone with a smartphone. So you can't view the real-time view of the drone. So you just put the SD card, then just hit the record button on the remote, and it starts recording. Then you would take the SD card out and you insert inside your computer or your device, and then you can view it. And so everything is done, and let me show how about the controls a little bit more. So speed one, this one is the speed, increases the speed, and return button is one press and the drone returns to the home. And this one is one key takeoff and landing, and this one is the camera for the photo, this one is for video, and this one is for emergency. If the drone is going to hit the tree or something, or you find it is emergency to stop the drone, then you press this button, then everything on the drone stops and it suddenly fall down. And this 360 flip is, I'll show you how the drone does the 360 flip in a minute. And this headless mode is when you fly the drone and move the joystick in certain direction, then press this headless mode. Then you don't need to take the remote to control the drone. It automatically follows the joystick movement you did before. One thing you need to remember about the drone is when you put the drone to fly, you just need to make sure that the front one is facing towards your front, like this. Like the drone front is facing towards your front. You just put like this, make it face towards the front. This one, the drone front side should face frontward, and then just take the controller, just do like this. Then the light stops blinking. Then the remote is connected with the drone. So let me put this camera over here. Now I'm gonna show you how the drone does the 360 flip. So as you guys saw the video, the drone was too hard to control, and overall it's good for the price you get. And the main purpose of making today's video was just to make the video in English and to show you guys how to do the put the SD card and control how to control the drone and show some flight clips. And the 360 flip was not good because the room was too small. And that's it for today, and hope you guys enjoy the video. If you guys learn anything about the video, give a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, just put them in the comment section below and I'll reply them. So see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.